Hi everyone. Today I discuss about the difference between toxin and toxoid. Toxin is very important and toxoid is very important. So, what do you mean toxin and toxoid? Both are same or both are different? Toxin and toxoid both are different. So first of all, what do you mean toxin? Actually, toxin is a one type of poisonous substance, and generally it is produced by the any type of plant or animals, and it is toxins are also naturally produced by plants and animal and to use as a protective chemicals or as offensive mechanisms also. And these toxins can affect our nervous system and digestive systems and any type of disease caused by the toxin. And it is one type of poison, and generally the toxin is produced from the bacterial cell, and the effect of the toxin can be acute or chronic, and which depending on the toxicity. That means the how much toxicity depends on the acute and chronic situation. So toxin is a very much poisonous substance, and these are produced by different type of organisms like bacteria, fungi, plants, animal, etc. And bacteria are popular microorganisms and which produce toxin that causes several disease. Many type of disease are produced by the toxin, and just like an example, tetanus, cholera, diphtheria, etc. And bacteria produce two types of toxins named endotoxin and exotoxin. That means this type of exotoxin and endotoxins are produced from the bacterial cell wall, and endotoxins is a type of exotoxin, and this type of toxins have a target to damage the intestine. So different type of intestine disease are caused by the toxin, and these endotoxins are produced by the certain bacterial species and cause food poisoning and several intestine disease also. So everyone please follow this diagram. This diagram is very interesting. So this is the mechanism or this is the working of the bacteria which produce the toxin in our body. So everyone can see that this is the bacteria, okay, and this part is the exotoxin part. Exotoxin, that means already I have told the endotoxin and exotoxin, two types of toxins are produced from the bacterial cell wall. So bacteria produce the exotoxin, and here antibodies are present. Okay, this is the antibodies, and this is the somatic cell. Cell means somatic cell of our human body. So first of all, I have to say here, somatic cell means it is a different. This type of cell is a overt cell of human body, except reproduction cell. Okay, so here antibodies is present. This part is called antibodies. Okay, and the exotoxins are produced. Exotoxin inside the antibodies, and then this is the exotoxin receptor. This sign is the exotoxin receptor. Okay, and antibodies are present in the cell, somatic cell also. Then what will be happened? After that, the antigen antibody interaction will be started. Antigen antibody interaction will be started how? When this exotoxin, when the bacteria produced exotoxin into the somatic cell or into the somatic cell, that time the antibody already started there in the fight against the exotoxin. Okay, so this is the signal or sign about the exotoxin receptor, and the red sign is a activated exotoxin. And here already I discuss here, the red sign is activated exotoxin and green sign is a deactivated exotoxin. Okay, and this sign is a exotoxin receptor also. So that means here the antigen antibody interaction will be started, but in this case the host cell death, when the host cell will be death when the antigen antibody interaction will be failure, antibody will be failed against the exotoxin, that time the host cell will be dead. That time death situation will be formed. Otherwise, when the exotoxin or any type of toxins will be failure against the antibody, that means the antibody when destroy the any type of exotoxin or prevents the any type of exotoxin, then the host cell lives. Okay, so this is the total diagram of the working of bacteria, how they produce the exotoxin or endotoxin in our cell body, and after interaction between the antibody and exotoxin receptor, what will be happen. So this is the total diagram. Okay, so everyone can understand easily. So this is the immune response of the exotoxin. Okay, so again I will discuss here. So this is the bacterial cell. Okay, bacteria, and bacteria is produced exotoxin is produced from the bacterial cell wall. Okay, this sign is a exotoxin, and here this is the suppose somatic cell, and antibodies are present into the somatic cell. So when the toxin is interacted with the cell, then automatic antibody fights against the exotoxin by any type of toxin, okay, to prevent this toxicity. If the antigen then automatically antigen antibody interaction will be started, and antibodies and toxicity interaction will be started. And if the antibody prevents or destroy the any type of toxin, then the host cell lives. Okay, otherwise if the antibody will failure, then the host cell death. Okay, so this is the diagram. So this is immune response to exotoxin, and toxins are, I have already told that different type of disease are already caused by these toxins, and it is naturally produced by plants and animals to use as protective chemicals or as offensive mechanism. These toxins can affect our nervous systems or digestive systems and cause a different type of intestine disease. Okay, intestinal disease, and the effect of the toxin can be acute or chronic depending on the toxicity. That means the how much toxicity depends on the acute and chronic situation of the toxin, and some toxins are affect specific organisms, so they initiate action by binding to the cellular receptors located on the cell surface. This is the cell surface and cellular receptor, that means the exotoxin receptors works here. So this type of receptor it works like this type of receptor works with the antibody also on the somatic cell of our body, and they are able to inhibit the enzymatic action. That means toxicity, toxin, endotoxin, exotoxin, they are decrease our immune response system, and our enzymatic system, and different type of disease are also caused by this toxin. And generally nervous system and digestive systems are already caused by this toxicity or toxin. And cholera, diphtheria, and tetanus, this type of disease are also produced from the bacteria, fungi, etc. So for the produce of toxin in our body, the bacteria role is very important, because main bacterial cell wall, from the bacterial cell wall the toxin is produced, exotoxin and endotoxin, and both are produced from the gram negative bacteria cell wall, and the exotoxins are produced and released out of the bacterial cell wall also, and endotoxin is a type of exotoxin which targets the intestine. So any type of intestine disease are caused by the toxin. Okay, so food poisoning, several intestine disease, nervous system, digestive system, everything are produced, everything, this type of systems are problematic by this toxin. and by this producing toxin in our body, our immunological any type of power, immune system or enzymatic option also be decreased. So toxin is very poisonous substance, and mainly they are produced from the animal or plant uh, etc., but mainly the bacteria cell wall. It is produced from the bacterial cell wall, and this is the diagram of the immune response to exotoxin. And already I have told, and this diagram also tells about the working or function of the bacteria, how it is produced in our body, the toxicity or toxin. So toxin is very important part. Okay. Another part is a toxoid. Already I have told about toxin, but now I am telling about toxoid. Toxoid is a uh, one type of vaccine type. Okay, that means toxoid works against the toxin. Okay, so it causes several diseases, and toxoid is an inactivated form of toxin. Toxoids fight against toxin, and toxoids are introduced as safe vaccine to cure toxin based disease. That means toxin and toxoid both are different. Toxin is a poisonous substance, and it is when it is produced in our body, then any type of disease can be caused, any type of disease can be produced. But toxoid fights against the toxin. It looks like a vaccine type. Its activity like a vaccine type, and it fights also against the toxin. So both are totally different, and however the structure of toxin is similar to its original toxin, but both are different. Their original structure may be similar to the toxin, but toxoid is a different part of the toxin because it fights against the toxin, and toxicity is not more retained in the toxoid. Immunogenic property of the toxin is maintained in the toxoid to induce immune system of the host. Okay, and the composition of the toxoid is altered to remove harmful effects. The properties are changed by the heating the toxins properly. So toxoids are not natural; they are derived from the original toxin. Actually, the formulation or composition of the toxoid depends on the harmful disease or harmful toxin. The toxin is how much harmful, or how much it has a toxicity power. Mm, Toxoid depends on this. Okay, and their formulation, their manufacture, their making procedure, everything depends on the properties of the toxin or harmful disease of the toxin which is caused or which is produced by the any type of toxin. Toxoids are developed as a vaccine, and it given to animals and people, and in order to develop immunity against the toxin based disease. So if an animal or a person is vaccinated with a toxoid, they become immune to that person or animal is able to defend the body against the particular toxin for a long time. Actually, acute condition or chronic condition of the toxin depends on the toxicity. That means the toxicity of the acute condition or chronic condition of the toxicity depends on the toxin. That means toxin is how much harmful. Here, toxoid is produced against the toxin. That means it works or it fights against the toxin. So due to the presence of toxin, our enzymatic system, our digestive system, our nervous system will be very much decreased, very much deactivated. Okay, but toxoid is used to help to increase our this type of system. That's why toxoid is made like a vaccine type, or it is made by different type of process, and this preparation or this formulation or this manufacture of toxoid depends on the toxin. Okay, and toxoids are stable and not subjected to denaturation of environmental conditions. And tetanus toxoid and diphtheria toxoids are two vaccines successfully developed. Okay, tetanus and diphtheria, this type of toxins are very much effective in our body. This type of toxins are affected in our body. Affected means destroy. Affected in our body by the bacterial cell wall, because any type of disease are produced by the toxin, but in this case special two type of disease, the diphtheria and tetanus type of disease. So in this case the tetanus vaccine and diphtheria vaccine like a toxoid is produced to prevent this type of disease. So now I am discussing about the toxin and toxoid difference. So toxin is a poisonous substance that is produced within the cells of living organisms, and toxoid is an inactivated form of toxin and which serves as a safe vaccine. Okay, that means the toxoid fights against toxin as a vaccine, and toxins are naturally made but toxoid are not made naturally. Okay, this is the synthetic product. Actually toxoids are prepared or manufactured by the human being, and toxins composition is the same as the original, but toxoid composition is changed to remove harmful properties. Actually original structure of toxoid may be similar to the toxin, but toxoid is not same as a toxin. Toxin has both toxic and immunogenic properties, but toxoid has immunogenic properties. They are not toxic, because toxoid all time toxoid fights against the toxin as a vaccine, and different type of toxoids are made for the prevention of the different type of toxin. That's why I have told that toxoid depends, the formulation of the toxoid depends on the type of toxin. Okay, so toxin and toxoid both are different, and their difference I have discussed here. So I think everyone can understand this point, and toxin and toxoid is very important also in our body, because when any type of bacteria and any type of fungi is enter into the body, inside our body, that time the toxins are always is produced into the body from the bacterial cell also, and exotoxin and endotoxin. What is their toxin? Endotoxin and exotoxin are produced from the bacterial cell wall, and they are very much important in our body. That means they are very much affected in our body. Very much important, that means they are not helpful, they are very much affected. Okay, effective in our body. They almost affect or destroy in our body organ, our very different type of system. But toxoid is very helpful because it always fights against the toxin. So today I am discussing about the toxin and toxoid. I think everyone is getting my point. So please follow this note, and everyone can download this note from my video's description part, because their link is there. So everyone can download from this link this note, and this is very important. Again I am telling that. So this is the difference between the toxin and toxoid. Okay.